back to my channel. My name's Sarah. Subscribe down below. And I've actually not posted a video in I think 2 weeks because I was building an Instagram page. So I finally decided that I had the courage enough to build an Instagram page for my fitness and like health and stuff, and lifestyle and navigating through my injury. So I've been busy doing that, and I just did a Q&A right now and posted, so I'm about to answer some. So I'm gonna put a highlight. If you want to go look at it, you can when after this video is posted. So that's what I've been doing, and I'm gonna start filming again, but I just needed a little bit of time to build my Instagram page, and it is coming along well. I just hit 100 followers, so that was exciting. And yeah, it's also like just been a lot of work trying to navigate and figure out how to use it, because I have one, like my personal page I've had since like 5 or 6 years now, but I haven't like tried to like get followers. It just kind of happened naturally. So I'm also doing that with this Instagram page. I do want it to be natural because I don't want any fake followers. I want people who are like in it to react and comment and interact with me. So I've already got to react or comment and interact with a lot of new people, and it's really exciting. So yeah, go give that a follow. It's Wild Country Lifestyle on Instagram, and I appreciate it. And let's get into the day. I have my coffee here, and I'm just gonna start answering some of the Q&As that I got. Okay, so I'm back. I got my hair done and I love it. It's dark. The guy who did it was so good. I went to a new salon, a local salon actually. I usually go into the city to get it done at this one place, and they didn't have any availability, so I thought I would try a local place, and I loved it. Like, the experience was so much better. It's in like an old downtown building, and it was so cute, and the price was amazing. It was cheaper than the other place that I go actually, which is a chain hairdresser, so I thought it'd be cheaper, but it's not. And the guy was amazing. I told him what I wanted. Like, I wanted it dark but like no red, so he like made it like ashy, and he was so good. And then he trimmed my hair, and I was just overall like so happy and impressed with this place. So I'm definitely gonna be a regular there from now on. And right now I'm drinking my smoothie. I have blueberries, frozen blueberries, spinach, almond milk, and chocolate protein powder in here. And I'm just doing some computer work. Does anyone else feel like a boss when they're on the computer? Like, I don't work on a computer normally, so I feel like I'm in elementary school or something when you like pretend to like type on the keyboard. So I'm just doing a little bit of that, and I've been watching Younger on Prime, and like when I get into a show I can sit there and watch it forever, which I like, because if I don't have anything to do I get like kind of anxious. But I'm watching Younger on Prime, and I highly suggest it. It's so good, and I've never heard anything about it before. And then I posted on my Instagram, which is Wild Country Lifestyle, and so many, there's a rigger hair on the camera. So many people were like, oh my gosh, that's my favorite show. I'm like, what? I've never heard of it. And it has Hilary Duff, so love her. That's always a bonus. And we got these really cute From Me to You postcards that you can send to somebody that are pre-stamped. Our county gave them out, which is so cool. So I wrote one to my parents, and I'm going to send it off, because who doesn't love to get a postcard? Derek almost burnt it in the fire, and I was like, no, I need that. Although it came like this, and I had no idea what it was until I looked on our community Facebook page, and someone was asking for more, and I was like, what? Okay, I'm not gonna burn that. So gonna finish on my computer. I did my workout. I might insert some clips here, and then I'm gonna take Ruger back out, and we might have some Friday drinks in the sun. I'm pretty sure my last video I was having a Friday drink in the sun, but it's a thing that happens around here. It's beautiful out, why not? And I will see you in a bit. Okay, so I was just sitting out drinking a White Claw, but then I came in to make dinner. I don't know if you can see, my husband is still out there. Well, you can kind of see him through the east trough right there, but he's on the phone with my brother. So I was like, screw this, I'm coming in to make dinner. So we're making Philly cheesesteak pasta in the Instant Pot. It's so good. I got this from Large Family Love, but it is from a website, so I'll link it down below. But so far, like, I tried it once, it was really good, so we're gonna make it again. I have it on saute and it should be done by now, but for some reason it shut itself off, and I think it's because this plug doesn't work. So it's sauteing now, and then I'm gonna add in this onion and green pepper while it's sauteing. I'm watching Lipstick and Lattes because I love her videos and I love her personality. She's super relatable, so just watching her while I'm making dinner. So I have the ground beef, onions, salt and pepper, and now I'm just gonna put some garlics in there, and then you're gonna let it cook for 1 to 2 more minutes just to soften everything. We're gonna add in some ketchup. It says 2 tablespoons. Mine's almost empty. And then 2 cups of beef broth. So I'm just gonna add in the rest because it's probably around 2 cups. Whoa, I keep doing that. So then you're gonna put in your pasta. I'm just gonna dump the rest of this sauce in. This is the macaroni. You can use whatever you want. Then you're just gonna stir it all up, and then you're gonna put the lid on. You're gonna cook it for 5 minutes. I'm gonna put it on for 6 just to make sure. So then you take the pot off, or the lid off, and then you add cheese, and then you put the lid back on so that it can melt. Okay, so I just went to a different town to get my groceries. So I'm gonna do a grocery haul for you right now, and I spent about 150 bucks. Plus I have a pair of shorts and some canned drinks that I got, so I'll show you those also. Enjoy. Okay, so here is my grocery haul. It was $150. So first I got this shirt. It's a men's medium, $6, and I'm gonna crop it. I cropped a lavender one last week and it's so cute. So I wanted to get another color that was unique, so I got this color. I got my favorite flat out wraps. These are 70 calories, and although they're a little bit small, like, they're perfect size for me, and I really, really like them. The Italian herb is such good flavor. I got my Sweet Baby Ray's. This is my favorite barbecue sauce. A can of corn. Some frozen blueberries for my smoothies. Frozen pineapple chunks. I'm gonna try these in a smoothie. I'm not sure if I'll like pineapple in a smoothie yet, but hopefully. And I got these chicken bites for Ruger. Seasoned potato wedges. These are so good as a side, super easy, and you cook them in the oven and they're so delicious. So you only need, like, I find like 5 or 6 of them on your plate, so a bag goes a whole way, or a long way. I always get this just for a quick salad with my meal or to put in a wrap. I got some buns for burgers or chicken burgers. I feel like I really want to have burgers this week sometime, so I got some of those. Half and half for Derek's coffee. Some banana yogurt, the usual for Derek, and then I always get plain Greek yogurt, and then I mix stuff in because I use this for like buffalo sauce and as sour cream, so I don't like getting flavored. I got a bag of carrots to make carrot fries. These are my favorite things ever. They're the caramel Greek yogurt smoothie bars. They're only 100 calories. They have a peanut butter chocolate one that I like more, but they're harder to find. They also have a few other flavors, but the caramel one's my favorite. Tomato sauce, blueberry bagels for Derek. I got this brownie mix because I always keep brownie mix in the cupboard in case we have a last minute place to go or someone's coming here for dessert. But this one's different because it's not just a box, it's in the bag, and then you only use 2.5 cups of it per time, so this will last more, and it was only $2.97 I think, so definitely more affordable than the boxed ones. 3 sweet potatoes. I got this barbecue bacon wrap. This is our favorite in the slow cooker. It's so good and such an easy meal. You can have it on a bun. You can make sides with it. There's so many things that you can do with it, and it's delicious. And then I got some mini yellow potatoes, some rice cakes, some Laughing Cow cheese wedges. These are only 25 calories each, and I put them on my wrap, but you could do so many things with these, and they're so good. Some spinach, bananas, 2 frozen sliced peppers. I haven't been able to get these in months now, so I was super excited when they had those there. I got Derek's favorite ice cream, chicken broth, 1 can of cream of mushroom, and 1 can of cream of chicken. I got this turkey. I'm going to make this tonight, I think, on naan bread pizzas, but usually we make like tacos out of this. I got my moisturizer. I ran out. These stick-on nails, I love stick-on nails, so I wanted to get some for Easter weekend next weekend, so haven't tried this kind yet. And just a brow pencil from Wet n Wild. It was a cheap one. And yeah, so that was my haul for $150. I also got these 2 sparkling waters. The cherry vanilla is my favorite. These are from President's Choice. And this one's cream soda. And I tried it on the way home and it's so good. It actually tastes like cream soda. I tried the ginger ale one also and it was good too. The difference is like they taste like cream soda and ginger ale, but they don't have that after sweetness. It just tastes like drier. But like the flavor is cream soda and ginger ale. So highly recommend. These are so good. And yeah. Then I got these shorts. They're tight from Winners, and I like the camo, and they have the phone pocket on the side. I love this because where else do you put your pocket when you're wearing these? And they are longer, so a shorter short would come here. So I like how they're longer, but I also like how they're not too long because I do have a pair of biker shorts and I find them too long. So this is like in the middle. So I haven't tried these on yet, but they're so cute, and they were $16.99. Okay, so here are the new clothes. Can't see these very well, but these are the shorts, and I love them. I like the length. They are like slightly big, but then the small would have been too tight, I think. So I'd rather, like, especially with these kind of shorts, like I'd rather them be a little bit bigger than too tight, because once they're too tight, then you just don't feel comfortable wearing them. And this is a shirt, so I did leave it a little longer. The last one I did 8.5 inches from the bottom I cut, and this one I only did 6.5. So I can always make it shorter, but I love the length of the lavender one that I did. I just, you can't like, I couldn't like wear it with jeans or anything because it was too short. I could wear it with leggings only. So this one I thought I'd keep a little longer. I might do like 1 more inch, but other than that, and I also cut the sleeves off like that, or like the same thing that's on your collars on your sleeves. And this shirt is so comfortable. Like you just throw it over and it's just so cute and easy to throw on. So obsessed. Yeah, anyways, so happy with this purchase. Love these shorts. They're like, you can't really see the camo on the screen, but that's what they are. Thanks for watching this random video, but I hope you liked it, and I hope you subscribe, and I'm hoping to film a bit more now that I have some more free time and I have some exciting things coming up, so stay tuned and subscribe down below.